Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I wanna discuss you some ETF technology or EFI ETF trick. In this trick we have to elaborate. I wanna elaborate to everything about the ETF. How you can earn the exact money in the ETF. In this trick we have to use the Gate.io platform. In this Gate.io platform, firstly you have to go to Gate.io platform and then drag down the ETF. So in this now you have to tap to ETF. Then you have to go two options. We have two options, ETF and 5 ETF. So we have to enter in 5 ETF. In 5 ETF we have to search about approx 10 to 15 ETF bond. In this bond, if we have suppose we have thinking the market is up in this way and going around. If the market is going through $50,000 USDT, if BT Bitcoin goes up and up and up, then we have to buy the BTC 5L. BTC 5L. In this way we have to search drop down BTC 5L. Here the BTC 5L. Now tap to BTC 5L. In this way we seen that its graph or chart. First we have to go through the 1 week chart, and here the surprising, the price is around, the high is that 9.1 USDT, and at that time if the market goes up and up 50 to 60,000, in this case we have to buy the 5x or 5L BTC. In this way the price is, if the price is up and up, then we have to buy 5L BTC. So here in 1 hour's figure, in this way we have to take, this is the up direction. Or suppose we have thinking about the market is gone 50 to 60,000, then in this way we have to buy the ETF. Simple. If we have 10 USDT, then the purchasing price on the current price is 0.08. Okay, you got it, 0.088649 in this price. Now suppose we have 112 BTC long. Now suppose the price is up, in case we have sell 112 BTCL in only 1 USDT 112, and price goes up only 1 USDT, then our estimating cost 10 to our 10 USDT goes 112. Here is the trick. Now in case If we have, suppose a market goes down around 30 or 20 USDT, 20,000 USDT BTC price. If the BTC here spots, if the BTC goes down, then we have to suppose the price is goes down and 50 to 100% down. In this case, we have purchased the Gate.io ETF short. Now, first we have to go in the ETF option, tap to ETF option, and then BTC S. Search the BTC F 5 ETC. Then BTC S price is so low, only 0.02. Here, if we have go to the chart and weekly basis, then you have to take the price is 0.8 highest. Now we have to buy the BTC short in 10 USDT only. In this price, we have take 364 on this price. Now, if the price goes down, then our ETF prices, suppose we have 364, we have purchases in 10 USDT and price is goes 0.5 only, and we have 364 BTC bond 364. Then in this way we have seen our 10 USDT only 0.5 price goes to 182. This is the way we have to earn a minimum amount and take the maximum profit. Also, we have to take both position 10 USDT and one short price is 0 and other short price is 100 USDT. Then 20 minus 100. If we take 10 USDT long and 10 USDT short, then total is 20 USDT. If one side short or long goes 0, one side 10 is goes 0 and 10 is goes 100, then 100 minus 20, our cost price is 80. Then we have 80 USDT is the profit. Simple trick. If you seen that this is video and this information and this trick is useful and reasonable, then like and share my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Subscribe also.